So we are starting our first chapter. We are on topic 1.1, which is rational numbers. So our learning goal is that we can understand absolute values and ordering of rational numbers. So first we're going to begin with our warm-up. If you have not started this yet, please pause the video and do the warm-up and then check your answers with mine. So our first one is a review question, and it says write the unit rate of the situation. The situation is that we can go 248 hours in, we can go 248 miles in 4 hours. So remember, a unit rate is how many miles can we go in 1 hour. So we're going to write it as a fraction, 248 over 4. And remember, this fraction bar is actually just a division sign. So this is going to divide the two numbers. So we actually do 248 divided by 4. And so we have 248 divided by 4, and we get 62. So we go 62 miles in 1 hour, or per hour. Our next question asks us to write what we know about the phrase absolute value. So the absolute value is our distance from 0. And this is always positive. All right, our skills practice. So order the integers from least to greatest. Now remember, a negative number with, that's, so like this right here is a negative. The bigger this number with a negative, the smaller it actually is. So we're going to order it how far it is away from 0, or if we had like a number line. So if we had a number line, and this is 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's one of our numbers. And then 3 was our other positive number, so 1, 2, 3. And then we have negative 2, so 1, 2. And then we have negative 11. So this was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So negative 11 is furthest away from 0, so that's our smallest. Then we have negative 2, then we have 3, and then we have 6. So think of it in terms of where's 0 and how far away are the other numbers. So with this one, actually I'm not going to draw a number line because it'd be a lot of numbers on it, but our largest number is our positive biggest number, so this is going to be 21. 19 is our second smallest number, or largest number, sorry. And then we have a negative 5 and a negative 16. So negative 5 is closer to 0 than 16. So then it goes 5 with our negative, and then negative 16. So this negative 16 is our smallest, and this positive 21 is our largest.